Benetton entered the Indian market 19 years back, and we entered the Indian market through a series of joint ventures. And in 2004 we became 100% subsidiary. And in the meanwhile, we had over the years we had expanded. We had, I think, reached out to a lot of consumers. We are primarily focusing on the top 6-7 cities. We do everything locally in terms of all garments are manufactured here 100%. We have our own manufacturing facility, and we are present in all the high streets. We have a very strong presence in the youth segment, and also we are very strong in the kids category also. So we call ourselves an accessible brand in terms of our positioning. So we are positioned at a very affordable price, the kind of value we deliver in terms of international Italian fashion. We are happy to participate in the TSI EEE certification program, which I think also guarantees that we are doing the right thing in terms of the kind of quality of inputs we get and our association with this program. I'll start with the first project. I think as all of us know and understand that India is a large market, and we always talk about a large middle class population, and being a large market, India has a lot of kids, and that is a segment which is literally unexplored. But what we feel is that we are doing just the basic stuff in terms of we produce great merchandise and we put it in great stores in a great environment, and beyond that we have managed, maybe not managed to really reach out. So it will be interesting to see how we can really reach out to the kids, and probably how we can engage the parents in terms of not only in terms of buying but also in terms of building the brand awareness. The other project which we have in mind is how we can reach out to the youth in the smaller towns and also in colleges and all. What we have seen is that the brand has become a little sophisticated, even though we cater to a wider segment, but we are getting youngsters in the age group of say 21 to 35. We want to really target youngsters in the age group of 16 to 20, and that is a segment which is slightly price sensitive also, and they are aware of the brand. There is an aspiration for a brand like Benetton. We want to really understand like what are the kind of things which will work with them. So we are looking for new ideas in terms of how we can grow our business. Obviously, the whole core purpose is how we can engage consumers, grow our business, and in return give something back to the youngsters. The third project which we are looking at is in terms of how we can leverage on the new media and how we can use social networking and stuff like that to really engage new consumers and young consumers with the brand. So it could be basically through networking sites like Facebook or through Twitter, and that should also be measurable, which means that whatever you do results in either increased sales or increased footfalls or increased engagement by the consumers. So probably I think it could be a great opportunity. Finally, what I would like to say is that as I mentioned earlier, that it's a great opportunity. So I wish you guys all the best. And also I would like to add here that if you guys really come up with something great, I can really offer you something of an internship kind of a thing in the organization, and you can really get an opportunity to work with us very closely. And if you really come with a very exciting idea, I can promise you that I can assure you that we'll give you an international platform also.